We've always known that there was a lot of inefficiencies in the system and how we had it set up, but the degree of how inefficient the system was really unknown until we're actually able to get that data into our system and actually analyze it. We did some rough calculations after we started viewing some of the data, and it appeared that we were losing roughly about 1 million kilowatt hours of waste electricity a year. We decided to do some more calculations and see if we can justify the project based on energy reduction. And the new control system was installed around 2010. The savings were realized immediately. Once the control system was put in place, there was a lot more information, a lot more data we're now capable of extracting out of our system. We noticed that we could get more output from our compressors if we had more motor horsepower. So based on this new information, a second project was born. Our local utility, PPL, was offering a customer incentive program where they would take a look at our energy reduction, and based on that they would give us a incentive payback. So they took a look at our PI system, and needless to say they were very impressed by the volume of quality data that we were able to capture and retain. Based on that, we had mentioned, well, if we had this data available for validating the motor project, wonder if we could get some payback on the previous control system that we put in. So needless to say, the auditors were very impressed to see the amount of data that we had collected through the years and maintained. And as I mentioned, based on the quality data, they agreed that they would allow us to include the data control systems that we put in place, as well as the motor projects. And then collectively, we were able to get a customer incentive payback of $265,000 from our local utility. Had we not had our PI system in place, neither one of those projects would have returned the value that we had.